Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Hi, I'm Chef Ann Nolan. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your burners to make sure they operate properly and efficiently. Food spillovers should be cleaned after each use. Make sure the burner is turned off and has had time to cool. Remove the burner cap and burner base. Wipe the surface area with a damp cloth. Your burner doesn't operate properly if food or debris has clogged a burner port. Use a straight pin or a paper clip to remove any foreign debris from the port. Do not use a wooden toothpick. Replace the burner, making sure the burner cap is properly positioned. A properly cleaned burner has an even blue flame. Thanks for watching.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product or available online at www.maytag.com.